This is the 3-bedroom oceanfront villa. This way is the living room. You have a kitchen here. You have a dining room table here. Over here you have another living room. You have a bedroom over here. You have a really big bathroom over here with a walk-in shower, a really big tub, a nice vanity. Walk out here, it looks like you have the oceanfront view with the pool and a balcony. It's a pretty big balcony too, you guys, so you have a major big balcony. It's like a private pool over there. You have a beach over there. And then over here, you have the living room, but I think I'm locked out, so I'm gonna have to go back through here. Okay, so I go back through here, and then as I go through here, sorry, we have people in this video, but we walk this way. We have a little mud room with the seating area. And then this way is the second bedroom. You have a really beautiful bathroom over here. His and her sink, walk-in shower. You have a tub. Walk over here, you have a nice sized bed, living room area, office space, nice TV, and then we have the last bedroom, the third bedroom. If you go in here, you have his and her sink. You have a nice tub where you can overlook the room. And over here, you have the toilet area, another walk-in shower. You walk through here, you have the third bedroom. You have a coffee maker here, nice king-size bed, living room area, office area, balcony, which overlooks the pool. And again, this is the 3-bedroom suite. And that is a view of the room. Over here, oh, it's another guest bathroom. So you have another guest bathroom over here. And again, we're at the Shore Club in Turks Caicos. This is the 3-bedroom oceanfront villa. Beautiful, beautiful room. Can hold a lot of people and has full kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3.5 baths, guest bathroom, and you overlook the beach and it's amazing, amazing views. All right, you guys, catch you at the next one.